self-directed child-led play will soon become a very sought-after, single most important approach in early years education. Why? That would be the question, right? So why, Witold? Why do you think so? Well, basically, born to play, that would be the hint for you. Children are born to play. Natural born leaders, we believe that play is the key approach to nurturing children's leadership skills and inner talents and hidden gifts. Child-led play and self-directed play. So what is child-led self-directed play then? That's again the same question, right? So this is the main point. The main point here behind child-led play, as opposite to play-based learning, is that it's never planned or it's never pre-structured by us, by adults. We do not, we never impose any structure, any plans. This is what used to be and still is, that we plan everything, we structure everything, and we expect the children to follow. But actually, frankly speaking, if I were a child, I would start thinking, why should I follow your plans and structures? Well, I could say, well, I'm older and I know maybe better, and I'm an educator, so I went to colleges and everything, and you haven't yet. But remember I said earlier, all plans are in their heads. Everything is perfect. They just need our help to make it happen in this real world. So here, predict. We can only predict possible outcomes. We cannot plan anything. Even if you have the most perfect plan in the world, approved by all the authorities and governments, you will never know. It's only a prediction, assumption. So instead of using time and energy on the best plans and pre-structured activities, you can just predict possible outcomes and you observe, and then you respond, and you